open. Ito na, I'm opening it for you. Oh. Give me that. Ano ka na din? I'm opening it na for you. Yum yum yum. Get me. What? Yummy. Sunflower seed. It's sunflower seed. Sit down lang there. Sit down. Oh, ito na. Marami na. Ayaw mo it fall. So, sit down ka lang dyan.
No.